Trains. That's not a good intro. Trains. Anyway, tomorrow morning I'm taking a random train. So I will go to the train station and get on the first train that will be leaving. And it's the first trip of this type, so I won't count the trains that go abroad. And of course the ones that require the seat reservation. And more important, there's a goal list for this trip. I will have to visit a new place, take a few nice photos there, and come back home eventually. See you tomorrow. In the morning I packed everything and went straight to the train station. Okay, I feel like I need to do a quick explanation here. So the first two trains were some late trains with seat reservation. So the actual first train was the one to Lichkov, which is in Czech Republic. And as you remember, I won't count the trains that go abroad. So what I did was I opened a map, marked Wrocław and Lichkov on it, connected them with a line, and then marked the middle of that line. And that's exactly how I got to
Ziembice. On the train I had some time to think about my life and also to do a quick research. And apparently about 9,000 people live in Ziembice. Let's go. Alright, got to the first spot, which is this eagle statue right there. First impressions of Ziembice. Pretty nice town, not very big. Getting on the other side of the town took me like 20-25 minutes. Not many people on the streets, and probably because it's kinda cold today. And yeah, really nice spot right here on the hill next to the forest with this statue, and actually a pretty nice view of the city from the top of the hill. The next spot that I wanted to check is called Water Castle or something like that, and it's somewhere in that direction. So I will just take this train and hopefully we will get there on to the next location. I wasn't expecting this kind of paths here. Nice chilling spot right there, but we'll come back here because there is what we are looking for, I think. We're there, such a cool spot. You have a bench, sitting, chilling. On one side you have the water castle thing, and then on the other side you have like a small water thing and some nice pink trees. This spot was perfect for something special I prepared in the morning. The coffee.
coffee in the sun with that view, it was something else. So I've been sitting here for some time and I still can't stop thinking of how nice this spot is. While sitting on that bench, I lost track of time a bit, and after checking my phone, I realized that I actually don't have that much time before the train back home. So I quickly got up to see the rest of the town. Ooh, better not swim here. Okay, so it turns out that Ziembice has everything, even the dinosaurs. I was in the rush a bit, so I didn't film that much. The first spot was the Minor Basilica, really nice building. Then I went to the town center with a nice town hall. And then I also went to see the Paczkowska Gate, which was also a quite interesting spot. And after that, I started heading towards the station. And we are back on the train station. Wait. Here. Hey. I made it back here just in time, which is good news. So some final thoughts about Ziembice. Really nice town. Small, chill, really nice views. Like on the mountains. Maybe not mountains, like the hills. The eagle statue, super nice. And the coffee in the sun with the view on that water castle thing. So good. The one thing that I found a bit strange is that walking through these parks and so on, there was basically no one else there. Like, literally no one. I remember when I was like a kid, we were spending all days somewhere. Maybe that's because of the weather, because it's a bit cold today. Anyway, I really enjoyed that trip and I hope you did too. If so, just let me know. The train should be here any minute, so I better get going on the platform. And yeah, see you in the next one.